Hey guys, it's Not Korea. So today I'm going to be taking this rat of a wig and fixing it up into something new and stylish and just clean and not frizzy. That's mainly the thing I'm going to be working on. I don't know exactly what style I'm going to be doing yet, but we'll see when we get there. Sorry for the background noise. It's raining in California for the first time in like a million years. And also my light in the background for some reason makes some kind of like funky noise. So if you hear that, just ignore it. And I'm sorry, hopefully I'll fix it on the next video. Okay, so I'm just going to start off by saying kind of what I'm using to fix my wig. So I have this spray bottle, and sadly this isn't Mario Badescu rose water. I completely ran out of that a long time ago, and I've just been using the empty bottle as a nice little spritz. Hopefully that doesn't get on my phone. No, okay, we're good. Then I'm going to be using my straightener, but since this wig is synthetic, I'm putting it on 15 instead of 30. I'm also going to be using this hairbrush straightener just to kind of like, you know, brush it out while also heating it and make sure all the frizzy ends and everything just stay nice and smooth. So I'm going to go put on the wig now and we'll see how crazy this thing really is. Okay, so I'm back. I also forgot to mention that I grabbed a comb and a pair of some scissors. Okay, so the thing, before I get started, I just want to say that this is actually not a bad quality wig. Like, it just got bad over time because it's frizzy. The wigs can't last forever, and I actually have this wig in a duplicate was also a hand-me-down, but is like less like crazy. Yeah, that's about it. This wig isn't that bad, and I think that we can really fix it, guys. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start by just basically spritzing all over and just combing it out until all the knots are out, because this wig is very, very tangled. So let's do that. Okay, so now that the wig is like completely combed out, I'm just gonna go in and focus on getting these ends less frizzy by straightening it. And the best way to do that is wet and having the heat on your straightener halfway down. So let's go in and do that. Okay, so my camera turned off while I was actually filming me straightening this, but it's actually coming out pretty good. Like, I'm super impressed with how straight it got. So I'm just going to film another chunk of me doing that so you guys can see, and then I'm gonna finish it, and then I'll show you guys how it looks all completely straightened. Okay, so basically all I did was make sure it's all completely brushed out. Spray like crazy. And then I'm going to take the hairbrush straightener and just start it off basically. And take my regular straightener and, oops, I'm getting sections I already did. So I'm just going to do this as many times as it takes. And then brush it out at the end. And you'll see that it's pretty smooth. So I'm going to finish the rest and I'll be back. Okay, so she's completely straight and I honestly think that it looks so much better. Just like this is already a new wig. And I love her. So, I think next I'm going to give her a little haircut. Yes, I will just chop somewhere and see what I think looks best. So, okay, so I'm just going to start off with the ends, even though I just worked super hard to straighten them, but I think it'll be worth it. And I'm honestly just gonna chop. And of course that looks crazy and super choppy, but I will show you guys how I fix the choppiness all at the end. So I'm gonna do that to this side, and I'm gonna decide on the length, and I guess I'll be back. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with my scissors and take a small piece and put them up and down like this, which probably looks absolutely ridiculous on camera, but this is going to help the choppiness be less extreme. And I'm just going to brush that out. And it still looks super choppy, but I'm going to fix all of that. The piece. And you don't want to do too much. Just enough to get the bottoms, I guess, kind of frayed, if that makes sense. Already looks better. You see how this part is completely like just brick straight. Now this part, after I'm going to re-straighten it just to make sure the ends are completely kind of like sealed since it's synthetic, and that's going to help the ends look less janky. Okay, so I went in and just chopped, and with the straightener I gave it a kind of a curly look. Not curly, but instead of just straightening it straight, I took the layers that I added just a few layers, and I also just curled them under with the straightener like this instead of just straight down. And here's everything I cut off plus everything that's on my lap, and I honestly think that she looks super good. This hair is like something new. It looks a little sorry, sick. It looks a little more natural at this length because people are going to assume that your hair is super long. And I love short hair, which is why I have a bob. Like, people think my hair doesn't grow, but I literally continuously cut my hair every 2 months because I love having short hair. So this is like not too long, and most of my wigs are super long. And this is nice to have something like short again. And I just really like this, and I love how it came out. Tell me if you guys think I should do another tutorial like this, what other kind of tutorials I should do. Tell me if you think I should have kept the wig long, if you think I should have cut it shorter. Just let me know in the comments, and tell me how you like this video. I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you guys are having a great day. Do well in school and don't do drugs. Love you.